In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a members-only page in Wix. So, let's get started. First, go to your Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, head over to the left side and click on the Add Elements option. Now, at the top you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type Wix Members Area. From the results, select the Wix Members area and add it to your site. This will automatically add the members functionality to your website, including a login and sign up page. After adding it, you can close this panel. Now, go to the top left and click on the Pages menu. From there, select Manage Pages. Next, click on Add Page and create a new page. You can name it anything you want, for example, Members Page or Exclusive Content. Once done, click on Done. Now, click on the Settings option for that page. Inside the settings, go to the Permissions section. Here, change the access from everyone to site members. This will make the page accessible only to logged-in members. And that's it. You've successfully created a members-only page in Wix. Now only site members will be able to access that page. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped.